In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Big Cartel account. Big Cartel is a popular platform offering free, easy to use online stores for artists and small business owners. However, there may come a time when you decide to close your shop. Whether you're moving your business to a different platform, taking a break, or any other reason, the process of closing your Big Cartel shop is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Big Cartel website. You can do this by typing www.bigcartel.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, you're going to locate the Login button. This is your gateway to access the back end of your shop where all the magic happens. Click on Login and you'll be prompted to enter your shop's unique URL. Every Big Cartel store has a distinct URL that helps distinguish it from the crowd, ensuring your customers land directly on your page. After entering your shop URL, you'll be taken to another screen to input your password. Make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any errors that could prevent you from logging in. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is the nerve center of your Big Cartel operation, where you can manage products, view orders, and adjust your store's settings. However, our focus today is on closing your shop, so you'll want to look for the account option on your dashboard. Clicking on Account will open a new page with various account management options. Here you're looking for the Manage Plan section. This area allows you to adjust your billing preferences and subscription plan, but it also offers the option to close your shop. After you select Manage Plan, navigate through the options until you find the ominous Close Shop button. I know it might feel a bit final, but if you've made up your mind, this is the step for you. Clicking on Close Shop will direct you to another page where Big Cartel asks you to share your reason for leaving. It's a short survey and you can choose any reason that fits your situation or simply select Other if you prefer not to specify. Once you've made your selection and submitted it, you're almost done. Big Cartel might ask you for a final confirmation to ensure that you're ready to say goodbye. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Big Cartel shop. It might feel a bit bittersweet, but remember, this decision opens up a world of new opportunities for you and your business. Whether you're transitioning to another platform or taking a break, the steps we've gone through today ensure that you leave Big Cartel on your own terms. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few additional tips. First, make sure to back up any important information from your Big Cartel shop before closing it. This includes product descriptions, customer information, and any digital products you might have sold. It's always good practice to keep a record just in case you need it in the future. Also, consider informing any existing customers about the change. If you have a mailing list or social media followers, letting them know about the move gives them a chance to support you in your next venture. Closing your Big Cartel shop might feel like the end of an era, but it's also the beginning of whatever comes next. Whether you're redirecting your business efforts or simply taking a well-deserved break, the process is simple and leaves the door open for future endeavors. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, no matter where your journey takes you next, the most important thing is to keep moving forward. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.